And here you are, listening to me, to my words. Allow them in deep, inside your mind. And there's nothing else, just the sound of my voice, of this thought, a deep, unstoppable thought, like a runaway train, a train of thought. And isn't that phrase fascinating? If you think about it, or try not to think about it, how a train can be thought, and how strange that is, that you picture it in your mind, this train of thought. But a train doesn't think. It doesn't ask questions. It follows its track, ever onwards, ever forwards. And thoughts, when you think about them, work in the same way, one after another, in a sequence, in a line, in a train, each one leading you onwards, leading you down, 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 down.